Hello friends, I welcome you all to a new video. Today let's discuss about manual fuel lid override in Xuv700. The fuel lid is integrated to the central locking system of the car. If the car is unlocked, the fuel lid also unlocks. If there is a malfunction in the fuel lid locking mechanism, there is an override option to manually open the fuel lid. Open the boot. In the left side of the boot, there is a cover with the fuel symbol. Remove the cover. This is the manual override knob. Take out the override knob and pull it as shown. Now you can manually open the fuel lid. This is a useful feature in case of an emergency when the fuel lid malfunctions. If you lock the car, you can observe the rope moving that ensures proper functioning of the lock mechanism. If you have ever faced such issues in your car, please mention that in the comment section below. For more such interesting content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Happy motoring!